In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can optimize your Wix Studio template for website and tablet. Now we're going to go over how you can optimize your website for tablet and mobile. So one really cool feature about Wix Studio is now you have the option to not only optimize your website for mobile, but you also have tablet view. That's something that Wix itself hasn't implemented yet. So I really love that about Wix Studio. So one thing to remember is all of your main changes should happen on desktop view. And once you change it on desktop, you want to make sure that you're looking at tablet and mobile view to make sure that everything is aligned properly and spaced out properly. So we'll do a quick example of that. We'll just change the name here, and then we'll change the image. I want to make sure this goes on top since the background is not removed. And just that one minor adjustment, if we check on tablet, everything looks decent, but you can tell it's kind of crowding the header. If you go to mobile, it looks really bad. So we'll start with tablet. You can just move the section down a bit, move everything down, make sure it's all aligned properly, and just get it off of the header image. And then for mobile, you'll basically do the same thing. Just make sure you stretch out the text box, and then we can shift everything down. And then if any of the other sections get misaligned, one really cool thing about Wix Studio is now you can adjust the padding for the sections. So you'll notice here there's a space with a blue line, and then it has a number below. If you click on that, you can change your padding on top. You can change it on the sides. For the most part, you won't need to mess with this, but if you notice you're making some edits and things are not spaced out properly, that's a really good way to make sure that everything is spaced out evenly and properly. And if you notice any changes that we make on mobile, it does not affect desktop. It stays the same. So that is how you would optimize for desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you feel more confident about how you can update and use your Wix Studio website template, don't forget to give it a like. You can also subscribe for more branding tips and website tutorials made for bold creatives just like you. You can shop all of my Wix Studio templates in the link below at my website, CVillaDesign.com. And if you need help customizing your template or you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. There's also an option on my website for me to help you customize your Wix Studio template. Thanks again.